Today I'm going to show you how to do a discussion board because that's our assignment this week. So you go to our weekly assignment, which is characteristics of children. And then on this side over here, you'll see some of the resources we have. This one here, instructions for discussion, is exactly the detailed assignment, step by step, what you need to do. If you haven't looked at that, you should certainly have looked at that by now. At the very bottom, it talks about how to use and get to the discussion board, which is what I'm showing you now. This last one is where you submit the information. So you go to Submit Discussion Board here. And what you're going to do is open right here. Open, submit here to the discussion board. And once you get into the discussion board, you have to create a thread. What you'll see here first is the assignment, which is good. Then you create a thread. And what you do first, right underneath the assignment instructions, you see a subject line. So you will put the age group that you are doing. So I'm just going to put teenagers, since I'm not doing anything from yours. And then underneath there is a message box, and that's where you put your paragraph about what you learned about your age group, what you learned about 2-year-olds or what you learned about 3-year-olds, what was specifically interesting or something you didn't know or was surprising. And you should be writing at least one paragraph to 2 paragraphs. After you fill in this message box right here, then you go on down to attachments. You can attach your PDF here. So I'm going to browse the computer and I'm going just to find a PDF, open it, and it attaches right here, and then you go here to the submit button and you submit it. Now, since this isn't a real thread, I'm not going to submit this, but you would submit it and then you will be done.